At Reva, we believe every lift should be safe, controlled, and precise. Whether in steel plants, automotive units, or warehouses, safety isn't an option, it's a culture. A productive workplace is built on a strong foundation, and the strongest foundation of all is safety. Safety starts with you. Before entering any work area, ensure you have the correct personal protective equipment, or PPE. Your first line of defense. It is not optional, it is mandatory. Never enter a designated zone without it. A single moment, a single falling object, is all it takes. Head injuries happen fast, and often without warning. Protect yourself. Stay aware of your surroundings. Your safety is in your hands. Foot injuries occur silently but can be severe. A single nail, or a dropped object, can puncture or crush the foot instantly. Always wear proper protective footwear and ensure the work area is free from hazards. Prevention begins with awareness. This is a collision risk caused by low visibility. Always use reflective gear, stay in designated walkways, and ensure vehicle operators can spot you. Visibility prevents accidents. A single spark, a tiny fragment, is all it takes to harm your eyes forever. Hazards move fast, injuries happen faster. Stay alert, wear your eye protection. Don't risk the sight you depend on every day. One sharp edge, one careless moment, and your hands take the damage. Cuts happen fast, often faster than you can react. Use gloves. Stay focused. Every movement matters. Never stand on drums or boxes to reach height. Stability is non-negotiable. Always use approved ladders or scaffolding. And remember, hands are for climbing, not carrying. Do not carry tools loosely in hands while ascending, descending. A dropped tool is a deadly projectile. One slip, one moment of imbalance, and the fall begins. At height, even a second of carelessness can cost a life. Always wear safety harness while working at heights. Stay alert. Every step above ground must be a safe one. Working at height means following every rule. Never climb on unsafe objects. Always use a safe ladder. Secure your harness before you start. Tether your tools. A harness saves your life. A tether saves your colleague's life below. In a fabrication shop, an unexpected accident is just a safety check that was missed. Watch how this welder builds a wall of protection. Gravity turns sparks into projectiles. Barricade the zone, use fire blankets, and post a spotter. Following protocol is his protection. The sand bucket ensures fire control. His equipment inspection prevents explosive gas leaks. Checking color-coded hoses stops violent backfires. Using a spark lighter, not matches, prevents severe personal burns. These steps guarantee his safety from fire, explosion, and injury. Machine guards are your physical barrier against injury. Never bypass, remove, or tamper with them. And when grinding or cutting, the hazard is right in front of your face. Whether it's a long shift or a quick fix, safety glasses or a face shield are mandatory. Respect the barrier, protect your sight. Always perform a pre-use function test. If any control fails, stop immediately. Use the emergency stop, tag it out of service, report the fault, and never use faulty equipment. Know your crane's safe working load, and never exceed it. Overloading can cause catastrophic equipment failure, leading to dropped loads and structural collapse. Keep the lift path clear. Never stand or work under a suspended load. Operators and spotters must keep the area clear before and throughout the lift. Cranes lift materials, not people. Never ride the hook or load. It prevents deadly falls. An uncontrolled load can act like a wrecking ball. Avoid sudden moves. Keep all motions smooth and controlled. Pre-use checks are critical. Always inspect safety parts like the hook latch. If it's damaged, missing, or bent, stop. Do not use it, remove it from service, tag it out, and report it for replacement. Improper rigging causes accidents. If slings aren't secured correctly, the load can become unstable and fall. Ensure the load is rigged, balanced, and secured. Confirm all slings are seated correctly before lifting. For long or bulky loads, use tag lines to guide the load, prevent swinging, and keep a safe distance. A crane operator must stay fully focused. Distractions like mobile phones can be fatal. Never use a hoist for side pulling. It overloads the system and can make the load swing dangerously. Always position the crane and hoist directly over the load center of gravity. Your lift must be straight up and straight down. In any industrial setting, the risk of fire is real, but a well-informed worker, backed by strong safety protocols, knows exactly how to respond. Strong protocols guide the fire response. Training takes over. Extinguish small fires immediately with sand. Always check that extinguishers and alarms are uncovered and accessible. Finally, protocol demands reporting every incident to the safety officer. This is safety in action. Workshop power demands respect. Never use bare wires in a socket. It's a direct risk of shock or fire. Use only high-quality, approved plugs and sockets. If a cord is damaged, do not use it. A proper connection is the only safe connection. No compromises. Never trust a switch alone. When performing maintenance, you must ensure a zero energy state. Isolate the power, then lock it and tag it. But remember, the lock is only effective if it works, so always verify. Attempt to start the machine. If it stays silent, you are safe to proceed. A safe workshop is built on respect. Good housekeeping prevents trips. Storing all equipment is everyone's responsibility. Site rules, like prohibitions on smoking or tobacco, are mandatory for fire prevention. The most dangerous hazard is distraction. Never use a mobile phone while operating machinery. A moment of inattention can cause severe, life-altering injury. Cleanliness, respect for rules, and total focus are the foundations of safety. A clean floor is a safe floor. Don't let cables become traps. Route welding leads and hoses away from walkways to prevent tripping. And with chemicals, there is no room for guesswork. Follow handling protocols. Always use labeled containers and store them in their designated safety zones immediately after use. Chaos is the enemy of safety. Know your way out before you need to get out. Familiarize yourself with every exit sign in your zone. Never block a fire exit or an emergency sign. Obstructions cost lives. If the alarm sounds, don't panic. Follow the signage immediately to your designated assembly point. So friends, always remember the most important rule of all. Caution lapsed, accident happened. From all of us at Reva Cranes, we thank you for your commitment. We expect you to follow these guidelines every day, on every job. Your safety and the safety of your colleagues is in your hands. Stay alert, stay safe.